Hi, everyone. This is a web app I developed with ChatGPT, of course. It is using Python 20 panel to monitor the traffic of apps that are active in my PC, having a number of apps through the AI/ML applications. It is crucial to monitor download and upload traffic, especially if you're using open source application, which may have some hidden codes. By default, my PC's internet, which hosts my AI application servers, are disabled. Without internet, there are a number of applications trying to communicate to internet, small packets, but could be small, legit information being uploaded to the servers for apps to work, but could be worse. Probably it could be uploading your files online, which you may not be aware of. Upon activation of my internet, you'll notice the burst of applications sending uplink communications to a bunch of servers. But these are still small packets, could be keep alive update to servers, letting them know you're online. In this scenario, I'll run a speed test and use Rogers Ookla server. This app will capture the total traffic received and sent to this IP. Changing the server will as well capture the traffic sent and received. And my web app is composed of the UI, a Python panel application, and the functions which I compiled on one folder. Authentication. User may need to log in to use the app. GeoIP. This is reaching out to the IP GeoIP database to look up the IPs captured. NetLogger interface traffic logging of logs to CSV files to SQL database. IP sniffer. Capturing the traffic on interfaces. Thanks you, Panel Holoviz, for the intuitive web app framework, Index TS2 for text-to-speech generation, and of course to Trump for his lovely voice. This is Uncle Joe. Enjoy learning and keep developing.